If you're breastfeeding and dealing with pain, you might wonder whether it's safe to take medication. The good news is that many common pain relievers are compatible with breastfeeding when used correctly. Understanding which options are considered safer can help you care for yourself while continuing to provide the best for your baby. For mild to moderate pain, acetaminophen, paracetamol, is widely considered one of the safest choices for breastfeeding mothers. Only a very small amount passes into breast milk, making it a common recommendation for headaches, muscle aches, fever, and postpartum discomfort. Another commonly recommended option is ibuprofen. It enters breast milk in extremely low amounts and has a short half-life, making it one of the preferred anti-inflammatory medications during breastfeeding. It can be especially helpful for pain caused by inflammation, such as after delivery or from muscle strains. Some medications require more caution. Aspirin is generally not recommended for regular use while breastfeeding because it passes into breast milk and may increase the risk of bleeding or other complications in infants. Occasional low-dose aspirin prescribed by your healthcare provider may be appropriate in certain medical situations, but always follow professional advice. Stronger prescription pain medications, including opioids, should only be used under the guidance of your healthcare provider. Certain opioids may cause excessive sleepiness or breathing problems in breastfed babies, especially newborns or premature infants. If you notice your baby becoming unusually sleepy, difficult to wake, feeding poorly, or having trouble breathing, seek medical attention immediately. Non-medication strategies can also provide significant relief. Rest whenever possible, stay hydrated, use warm or cold compresses depending on the source of pain, practice gentle stretching, and maintain good posture during breastfeeding to reduce neck, shoulder, and back discomfort. Whenever possible, take pain medication immediately after breastfeeding or before your baby's longest sleep period. This may slightly reduce the amount of medicine present in your milk during the next feeding, although timing isn't necessary for most commonly recommended medications like acetaminophen and ibuprofen. Always use the lowest effective dose for the shortest time needed, and avoid taking multiple medications containing the same active ingredient. Read labels carefully, especially on cold and flu products, as they often contain additional medications that may not be necessary. If you have chronic pain, liver or kidney disease, your baby was born prematurely, or your infant has medical conditions, consult your healthcare provider or pharmacist before taking any medication. Taking care of your own health is an important part of caring for your baby. Most breastfeeding parents can safely manage common pain with the right medications and proper guidance, allowing both mother and baby to stay healthy and comfortable. If you found this information helpful, subscribe to Pump with Isabella for trusted, evidence-based breastfeeding tips that support you through every stage of your nursing journey.